Hey, DJ Angelo here, and welcome to lesson number 10 of DJ Pro AI on your smartphone. It's now time to put all of the previous techniques into action for one final showcase set. I've hooked up my smartphone to a compatible DJ controller, the Reloop Buddy, which will enable me to use the functions within DJ Pro AI even more efficiently. If you've watched the previous lessons, you'll have no problems following along, but for your information, I'll be controlling my loops with this encoder, selecting the size by turning it and pushing the encoder to activate the loop. And also regarding save loops, I'll be holding shift and pressing the encoder to activate the save loops. Also, I'll be toggling the use of these three knobs between regular EQs of high, low and filter to controlling neural mix, vocals, harmonics and drums by holding shift and pressing these headphone cue buttons for each deck respectively. And finally, I'll be controlling the manual echo effect with these effects paddles, either in effects latch mode or in effects hold mode. Okay, so that's it. Time for the final showcase performance.
They don't make them like you no more. Knew you were special when you walked through the door. I know you heard it before, but I'ma say it again. You fine all day, you been on my mind. Saying what goes up, it must come down. Wanna live up, never touch the ground. You look good, how you fit that dress. Wanna give you a world, nothing. Oh, come on. This ain't something that I usually do, but if the things ain't doing you and with the crew, if the grass is green and the sky is blue, it's a question if my love is true. I'm stuck blue, you stuck like glue, you stuck like glue, you stuck like glue, you stuck like glue, stuck like glue, I'm stuck like glue, stuck like glue, I'm stuck like glue, you stuck like glue, you stuck like glue, like glue, like glue, like glue.
DJ Angelo, you are sick for this one.
Your official mix, baby. On the beats. It's me, ma. Do we fall in love again and again? Hey, yeah. So do we fall in love again and again? Boy, I've been missing you. Oh, in my heart, I be feeling you. Thinking of the things that we used to do. All that I want, kissing you. Boy, I've been missing you. Miss all the things that we used to do. Love the way used to do. Missing you. Ooh la 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 la. Boy, tonight is me and you. Ooh la 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 la. Turn up the light, all I want is you. Tell me your fantasies, I'll tell you mine. Baby, we could be together anytime, but your touch gives me fever. But bring it one time. Do we fall in love again and again? Hey, yeah. So do we fall in love again and again?
This is what it is. That's all there ever was. Do it for the love, never did it just because. True family, thicker than the blood, with the spirit that awakes in the rhythm of the drum. An art form deemed ignorant by some, cause people never wanna listen to the young before they judge the music first, and act like none of this is going on inside your universe. Please look up from your machine and prove to me you're human first. Feels like moving forward is the new reverse. Seems like we all trying just to do what works. Hard to be your best, going through the worst. Night falls, the time changes so fast. White walls and mind games with no pads. The right cause, but time makes me so mad. Fight strong and fly straight, I won't crash.
rock side to side. Dip dive all the way live. Everybody in the place rock side to side. We got the brand new groove, make it feel alright to everybody in the place rock side to side. Come on. Woo. Alright, I wanna try something now, but I need everybody else to back out. I need a hand clap. Are we ready? Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're feeling all good, then clap your hands. If you're feeling alright, then clap that hand. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're feeling all good, then clap your hands. If you're feeling alright, then clap that hand. Come on.
Them bad girls at the night. Hey, come on now. Where all my ladies at tonight? Where them bad girls at tonight? Hey, come on now. Where all my ladies at tonight?
All the ladies in the place rock side to side.
Where them bad girls at tonight? Hey,
in the place rock side to
come
side.
on now. Where all my ladies at tonight?
All the ladies in the place rock side to side.
Where them bad girls at tonight? Hey,
in the place rock side to
come on
side.
now. Where all my ladies at tonight? Fly with it as an MVP before I arrive with it on MTV. And you can vibe with it on your MP3. And everybody ride with it when they in these streets. And all my ladies drop with it when it's on. Watch when I get them hot with it to the song. But we talk about the black cars. Get your swag right, mommy, yeah, we at the win with a rap star. Hey, shawty, you bad to the bone, but looking for you, that's just what I like, hell yeah. Hey, shawty, you bad to the bone, but looking for you, that's just what I like, hell yeah. Hey, shawty, you bad to the bone, but look, hey, shawty, you bad to the bone, but look, hey, shawty, you bad, hey, shawty, you, hey, shawty, hey, shawty, hey, shawty, hey, shawty, you bad to the bone, but looking for you, that's just what I like, hell yeah, ma. I'm glad you alone, let's keep it on the hush, hook up tonight, won't you meet me out front? I'ma make the last call, then I'ma slide out the back. Let me show you how to stunt when you riding with the stars. You's a bad girl, so you know how to act. I ain't thinking about I like the way she do that right there. I done seen a lot of girls trying to do it like her. I ain't trying to give a speech that I just might slur. Party at the crib, so I look like her. Then I tell her, baby, you can bring a friend if you want to, but do I had to tell you again that I want to? Come on, stop playing, shout it, let's make it happen. Tired of the chit chat, ready for some action. Up, go to pass it, love the way you tease, know your seatbelt fast, and I had to make it freeze. Break me off something out there that you wanna. Give it to you right, make it sweat like a sauna. Now you can call it rude, but I'm just being honest. I'll take it from your dude, and baby, that's a promise. I see it in your eyes, you attached to the kid, and that's what it is. Now back to the crib.
DJ Angelo.
So that brings us to the end of this 10-part series of DJ Pro AI on your smartphone. There's so much more to learn, so it's now over to you to get creative with your own ideas. I'm DJ Angelo. Stay tuned for more from myself and from Algorithm in future. Peace and progress.